Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mary. In today's video, let's talk about the Just Herb Lip Mask. The price of this product is 445 rupees for 15 grams of quantity. This comes in a small tub packaging like this. They say about the texture of this product that this is lightweight and it melts to a buttery consistency. This is the complete ingredient list of this lip mask. Some of the key ingredients that they have added in this lip mask is licorice, gotu kola, sweet almond oil and coconut oil. Now let's check out the claims that they have made about this product. They say it helps repair damaged and dry lips overnight, intensely hydrating, heals chapped lips, reduces pigmentation, free from paraben, SLS and silicones. These were all of the claims that they have made about this product. Now I'll quickly share my overall review for this lip mask. I have tried a lot of products from Just Herbs and it has been quite impressive. Their quality that they give is really nice. So I was quite surprised when this product did not turn out the way I was expecting it to be, because a lip mask, a lip balm and lip mask they usually work out very well, but this product did not work for me. First of all, they say about the texture of this product. That is why I specifically mentioned that they say that it has a buttery and a soft and lightweight texture, but that's not how I found this product to be. Actually, the texture of a lip balm, a lip mask is the most important factor. Packaging may or may not be that important, so the texture is not that great. As they mention, it has a buttery texture, but whatever it is, it feels like a very weird texture, and on application it is very difficult to spread it across the lips and it just gets stuck to one place the minute you apply and try to spread it. So it is not that great. A lip balm or a lip mask is all about giving hydration and moisturization, and it fails in that department as well. It doesn't work that well at all. It doesn't moisturize enough. It doesn't feel hydrating on the lips. It just feels like a excess layer on top of the lips. It feels like a film on top of the lips, and that is it. So it doesn't feel very comfortable on the lips. Apart from this, when it comes to, I just today applied it under my lipstick. Now I have applied a matte bullet lipstick on top of it, and the lipstick is matte, but it appears to be a little bit of demi matte, glossy, slightly glossy, because of the lip mask that I have worn underneath the lipstick. Actually, they say that you're supposed to use it in the nighttime routine as a treatment sort of thing, because it is a lip mask, but still I wanted to try it under the lips and see how it works, whether it really works under a lipstick or not. But it doesn't. It makes the lipstick appear like demi matte and little bit slightly glossy, and I don't like that, so I wouldn't recommend it using it in the daytime. In the nighttime, as a treatment, it doesn't work that well. They also claim this to heal chapped lips, but that also is something I did not notice. It didn't provide any sort of healing, any sort of treatment to the lips. It is not so hydrating and moisturizing as well. They claim this to work on pigmentation, and they claim that this lip mask will give you that extra hydration, and surprisingly I did not notice any benefit from this lip mask at all. I didn't get any sort of benefits, plus it is super uncomfortable on the lips. It is not a great texture. I don't feel that comfortable, so I don't recommend this at all. That is all from my overall review of the Just Herbs lip mask. I hope you found this review to be useful, and if you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Make sure you're subscribed for more such skincare reviews, and you'll find a lot of these videos from the description box below. And that is all for today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.